All right, Grant Matsushima, Dave Maloney here with RCHQ. We got him. Brand new.
Thank you for saving me, Warren.
Losi NASCAR. What are you thinking?
I love it. Yeah, of course, I get the cowboyish one.
This is your very own
Yes.
car that we're unboxing. So
It's like Christmas.
let's go and open it up. I was told that there's a couple of little talking points that we should discuss.
First off, the packaging.
Yes, very nice, very
I need a
nice.
little blade.
Oh, we need a blade. While TJ's getting us a blade, supposedly this thing comes fully assembled.
Oh, there you
That'll
go.
work.
Sure. Oh, or is that a knife? Oh, a knife.
Yeah, that'll work better.
And it gets speeds up to about 20 miles an hour. About 20 minutes of run time. About 45 minutes to charge, give or take, with the charger included, depending on your power supply. These things we've been waiting a long time for these.
Since April.
Yeah, since April. We've heard about it. We heard about it in its inception. We're really excited. We're actually going to be racing these things tomorrow night. So you're definitely going to want to get one. We have a small selection in stock. While David's getting this thing out of that box. You keep the box?
I definitely keep the
You
box.
keep the box? Man, I'm one of those, I destroy the box. It's like Christmas when I open a box, you know.
Trying to keep the box nice and pristine.
Yeah, I'm definitely just a big kid.
We'll send it your way.
My way?
Okay, we'll do it this way so she can see it. There you go. Look at that.
Hold up.
Go that way. There you go. Wow.
Ta-da! Oh. It's got body clips.
Sure to lose one of those or two.
Yeah, I'm a little surprised that
They didn't go with like the.
I'm surprised they didn't go with the quick release system.
Yeah. Well,
That's just the radio. Right. So the radio. Oh, there's still stuff in there. More tapes. Okay, here we go. You do know that if it was me or Elliot opening this thing up, it'd be trashed.
the radio. It's like the same one
Same.
with the Losi Mini B.
Yeah, same radio. It's got steering reverse, throttle limit, 50, 75, 100. Exactly the same. Feels good. Feels the same. Here.
Can you get your mic? All right. Get some body clips or zip ties to cut here. Scissors right there.
TJ's on it.
Okay,
TJ's walking around in the background.
There we go.
while y'all are looking at that,
Alright.
I see
That is it for the unboxing. Fancy box. Wow. Suspension? Yeah, it does. Does it roll? Alright. So let's take the body off.
here. Have a little closer to you guys.
Alright. You guys want to see it? Oh. Alright, there you go. That's the chassis. Looks vaguely familiar. Pretty excited. It's got a nice wide bumper. It's got some side impact. It's got a nice little diffuser here at the back.
It's all-wheel drive.
Yes. Yes, it is. It's got slicks.
Nice.
All right, so here in a little bit, we're gonna be getting this thing out on the track. That's gonna be an all-new video. We're not gonna let you guys see the first couple laps. Maybe we'll see. David's one of those experienced RC car guys, so he's gonna be on the pin right out of the gate. So we're gonna try it with and without traction compound, straight out of the gate. All-wheel drive, slicks. I think it might be pretty good. The body's definitely
Very nice.
lightweight, beautiful.
They did a good job.
Yep. It does not have clear windows, so
How's the driver's seat?
I don't know.
How am I going to see anything?
Interesting. We're gonna have to drill some holes for some transponders. It doesn't have that. It doesn't have that weird pin lock, so it's going to be easy to mount transponders on. Right? Just in that spot there, and maybe here.
So yeah, it has to have a clear view through
Yeah.
the window. Huh?
So we'll get those done. That's going to do it for our unboxing. David,
Thank you for having me.
Grant,
This one's
TJ.
TJ, hey, these cars come with 3 different bodies. You have the option of the Mustang, the Camaro, or the Toyota Camry that NASCAR is running. So we look forward to seeing you out here at RCHQ.
Yeah, definitely. 3 different body options. We definitely need to get more some clear bodies.
Yeah, they're going to be coming out with that option, right?
All right.
I don't know. Maybe we can put like a Tamiya mini body on here or something.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.